Hey, I'm Beau, and this is Applied Cobotics. The Applied Cobotics team at PBC Linear is working with new technologies to create the factory of the future. By utilizing new technologies and hundreds of hours of testing, Applied Cobotics is working to make manufacturing more enjoyable, safer, and more productive than ever before.
Cobots are collaborative robots. They have sensors on them. They're a lot safer and a lot more user-friendly than industrial robots.
Grippers are the medium between the cobot and the workpiece, coming in various sizes and shapes such as 2-finger, 3-finger, pneumatic, and electric. Our automated material lift is our way to keep parts in front of the cobot overnight and for longer operation. With the power of 3D printing, any custom parts or unique shapes are easy to tackle and quickly get a unique solution for the collaborative robots or AML system. Our Dunnage trays are aluminum and plastic trays that we use to load parts into the automated material lift. It allows us to keep parts in front of the collaborative robot for a longer period of time.
There's a stigma right now that these things take a lot more money than the initial investment. Something me and my team have found is that these things really can be easy. Any company could really run with these and really see a huge return on their investment.
Learn more at pbclinear.com.